Hi everyone, my name is Anmol and today we are going to see how to book a visa appointment for German embassy. So go to your process and here it should show you that action required and this is this. So if you open your application, it will show you you can make an on-site appointment now. Go back and click on make an appointment. Continue. You have to register for the VFS Global. I have already registered, so I will log in directly. Here you have to click on the start new booking and it will ask you for your application center. For me, it's Delhi. I will select New Delhi Visa Application Center. Do not select the embassy Germany. Now choose your appointment category. I'm going for a student visa, so select the national visa, student visa. Now for subcategory, I have APS certificate, so I will choose the second option. It's showing the earliest available slots for me. That is 9th of December 2025. That is tomorrow. Today it's 8th of December 2025. Now here they're asking for your APS certificate number. Go to your APS certificate and you have to find the PUF number. Just copy it and paste it here. Now enter your details and after entering all your details, it will give you your details summary. You have an option to add another applicant, but if you're applying just for yourself, then click on continue. Now it will show you the available slots for me. The available slots are from 9 to 19th of December. Let's see for January. So there are no slots available for January. I'm going to select the 16th of December. Now you can choose the appointment time. There are three shifts. I'm gonna show you all the times available for morning shift, then for afternoon shift, and there are no slots available for evening shift. I'm gonna choose 1 p.m. Now there are multiple services that you can opt for. First is premium launch. You can read this and see what services you get in premium launch. Now the second service is courier fees. If you want your passport to get delivered at your doorstep, do go for this. I'm gonna add this to my cart. And this is SMS service. If you want that you want update at every step of your application, you can opt for this service. I'm also gonna opt for this. And at last you get the travel assistance with insurance for free. So if you have created an account from Expectrio, you already have a travel insurance, so you do not need to opt for this. Otherwise it will get confusing. Now continue and you can review your application details and the services you are opted for. Total fee for me is 846 rupees. I'm gonna pay it. So I paid the amount and got the appointment for 16th of December. This is the transaction summary. Here you can manage your appointments. You can either cancel your appointment or reschedule your appointment. And do remember to print the appointment letter. You need to take this with you